Best free IDE for web development. Hello friends, my name is Igor from Galiki Digital. In today's video you will learn and you will discover probably one of the best and most useful code editor in 2021. If you found this content interesting, don't forget to subscribe my channel, leave a like and just tell me in the comment section what is your favorite code editor. So what is IDE? IDE stands for Integrated Development Environment. This is basically code or text editor or much more advanced application that will allow you to build websites, games, pretty much everything, even scripts. Most IDEs are built in with Node.js and JavaScript, plus also have other libraries, languages like for example PHP, Python, C++ or C#. And you can write code pretty much anywhere, even on Windows Notepad. And this is what I was playing around in 2004 when I was 12, but today times has changed and you must have a proper IDE, which is like code editor, in order to increase your performance, just make you much more comfortable while writing next lines of codes. Plus, you don't want meet deadlines, don't you? So now once we know what IDE is, what code editor I can recommend for you? If you're going to be working only on WordPress or very basic websites, then you can choose pretty much any code editor because they all have these essential libraries and extensions that will help you increase your productivity. But if you are much more ambitious and thinking about your career in the future, you should think about Visual Studio Code. This code editor will improve your code writing and boost your performance and also can improve your comfort while writing the next lines of codes. Visual Studio Code became one of the best and most popular code editors in 2021. Why? Because it has all essential stuff, all essential extensions that will improve your code structure and code quality, plus they can boost your productivity as well. Visual Studio Code, comparing to the other code editors, has GitHub integration, which is very important. It has terminal where you can put queries and you can start debugging your stuff, which is very important. Plus it also has a nice syntax highlighting and it has just loads of rich programming libraries that you can use for your future projects. So if you're going to be using only WordPress and PHP, then you can stick with pretty much any code editor. But if you're thinking about elevating your career on much more higher level, then think about Visual Studio Code. So Visual Studio Code is my recommendation for you guys. Either you are starting out or you are a very advanced web developer and just want to change your IDE. This is for today. Let me know in the comment section what is your favorite code editor. Don't forget to subscribe my channel, leave a like if you want. This will motivate me very much. And have a great day, have a great night. Thank you so much for watching.